decided to bring up an idea of creating a poster and sending emails to parents for help, asking them for help to give us donations for our project. So for this project, we raised about 10,000 CDs plus.
So when we received the amount of money, we used it in the library by buying chairs, fixing the roofs, and buying books, and also the shelves.
This morning I'm very, very excited. The whole of what has happened today, I've summarized them. And the goal as this: you promised, you have delivered. We have established a relationship with you. Let it be maintained. Let us benefit more and more from your community service. We are not glad because our brothers and sisters will soon be leaving us. Because as you can see on the list, we have more to say to them. But as time abiding people, they have another place to go. But what I want to say is that when they promised to help us, I never gave it an iota of doubt because I know what they are capable of doing. Put your hands together for that. Tema International, as I know, and our dear hardworking staff under the leadership of Auntie Grace, I knew that they will come and do this work. From the very first day they started, they gave us hope, they gave us joy, and today the joy is complete.
As you guys are coming up, you guys are the next leaders in this world. You guys are going to be great men and women. And when you get to that top, when you get to that height of the ladder, make sure your life is always, let me say, the center of putting smiles in the hearts on the faces of others. Thank you very much.
And my name is Grace Ayomikun. We coordinate community projects. So as part of our curriculum, students in grade 8 are expected to perform community projects. So as part of that, they decided to refurbish a beautiful library. And today we are here to commission it and officially open it for use. And we know that you put it to good use in Jesus' name. Amen. So these are the students. This is Ayomikun, this is Klenam, and this is Charles.
Thank you for your kind donations. And we are Biblotheque Saint Jeune. Merci beaucoup.